I'm Hamza from AutoDepth, and today I'm with my good friend David from Das Detail. He just bought this beautiful 1990 BMW 3 Series. Tell us a bit about the car.
Well, the car, I haven't had it that long, since last October, but I've always wanted an E30 BMW. I'm a BMW fanatic, especially classics. I've worked on a couple in the past, detailing, and I wanted to pick one up in decent shape that we could both transform and make it look like it came out from the factory.
We're gonna try to bring this car back to life. We're gonna do a wash, decontamination, clean up the wheels, engine bay detail, do some interior cleaning as well, and a full paint correction. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright. So the first thing we're going to tend to is the engine bay. First thing we're going to do is cover up any electricals, any exposed wiring, things like that. On a car like this, everything is kind of aged a lot more, seals are dried out, things like that, so you want to be extra careful not to cause any electrical issues shooting water into things like that. First thing we're going to do is cover all the electricals, give it a rinse down, degrease it, take care of all the anti-rust, blow it dry, and dress it with some sort of water-based dressing to condition the seals. Now that the engine bay is done, we're gonna clean the wheels, wash the car, do a chemical decontamination, mechanical decontamination, and get it ready for polishing. The exterior is prepped. We're going to get started on the interior. We're going to pull out the seats so we have full access to the carpet so we can shampoo everything nicely. We're going to clean the leather, plastics, everything inside, and then get back to the exterior. Alright, so interior is all cleaned up. Now we're just going to tape all the seals off and pull off any emblems, lights, grills, whatever can come off to make the polishing process a little easier and get started on the polishing. Alright, so paint correction is done. We did have a couple areas where we noticed the trunk, the hood, two front fenders, and the bumper were repainted, but they were extremely scratched. So they didn't correct the best. And then the two doors were previously buffed by someone, and there was a lot of burn through on there, so there wasn't really much to work with. But overall, we got some really good gloss out of the car, and next steps are coatings. We're gonna coat the paint, we're gonna coat all the plastics, just do the final touches. Alright, so the car is done. It looks amazing, a million times better than it did before. Like I said, we managed to pull some crazy gloss, and with the coatings as well, it really brought out some serious luster and shine. So I hope you enjoyed watching. It was a hell of a process getting it to this level, and it was really fun doing it. And check out the aftershots.